How to fix ringtone silent on Android. This tutorial covers the most common reasons calls stop ringing and how to get sound back. First, press the volume button on the side of your device to bring up the volume panel. From there, make sure it's set to ring rather than vibrate or mute. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and check that Do Not Disturb isn't turned on. At this point, if it's active, tap it to turn it off. Following this, open the Settings app and tap Sounds and Vibration. From here, check that ringtone volume specifically is turned up, since media and ringtone volumes are separate on Android. At this stage, tap Ringtone and make sure an actual ringtone is selected rather than silent. Following this, if everything looks correct but calls still aren't ringing, long press the phone app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From here, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. At this stage, reopen the phone app and test with an incoming call to see if the issue is resolved. If it's still silent after that, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. That's how you fix your ringtone not working on Android. If this got the sound back, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!